We're gonna go for a quick walk here up the side trail to our property. Just see what's up there and get a good look through the woods. So you'll be able to take a quick walk with me. Oh, some rabbit trail. Well, actually those could be squirrels. See how the front paws and the back feet. So, but actually, that could be different. So we'll see. There's better tracks out here. We'll find them. So again, you can see this is part of our property here. This used to be a trail, much better trail out here. That used to be a fort that we had built. So it's not a bad place to go walking sometimes, but it's been a long time since anybody's been out here. So, whew. A lot of down wood back here. A couple of us have used these trees for deer stands in the past. You can see up there, there's a old deer stand, but with all the foliage down, I mean, look over here and you can see how close it is to the roads. These are just some side roads that come back and allow people to put their cabins on the lake here. So this was all owned by one man at one point. Coming up on our neighbors, so we'll just skim by them. We'll walk over here. Whew. It's cold. So yeah, it's a quick little walk. Oh wow, that was a pileated woodpecker. These things are very large and they drill. Might even be able to see what he was pecking at. Nope. Don't see it, so back at the feeder, back at the cabin. All right, Brian out.